Welcome to another Math Ninja Pro video.
In this video, we will learn how to solve problems involving congruent polygons.
In this question, we are told that triangle ABO is congruent to triangle PQO. So congruent means same size, same shape. And therefore, it implies that all the corresponding angles and all the corresponding sides are equal. So in the first question, or first part, I need to find angle BAO. So angle BAO is here. In order to find angle BAO, you can use the angle properties that you have learned in Set 1 to help you. So we can see that this angle AOB must be 68 degrees because it is actually vertically opposite angles, right? So let's write that down first. So angle AOB is 68 degrees using vertically opposite angles and angle property learned in Set 1. And then if I want to find angle BAO, all I need to do now is I use angle sum of triangle, which is 180 degrees minus 25 degrees minus 68 degrees. That will give me 87 degrees. So this is the angle sum of triangle property. Alright, so therefore my angle BAO is just simply 87 degrees. Next, I need to find the length of AQ. So if you look at AQ, you will see that AQ is right over here. Let me just shade it in pink. Right, we can see that AQ is made up of two different segments, AO plus OQ. Right, and because the triangles are congruent, we can see over here that AO is actually equal in length to PO. So I can write, instead of AO, I can write PO because they have the same length. And similarly, for OQ over here or QO, it would be same length as BO or OB. So I can also write this as OB. And then we look at the diagram given to us. PO, we know the length, right, is given as 3.2. Similarly, OB, we also know the length is 6. So if I add that together, I will get 9.2. And the units would be cm. Next, I need to find the angle PBQ. So let's look at where angle PBQ is. It's right over here. PBQ is this angle over here. Alright, so in order to find this angle PBQ, I note that this triangle is actually an isosceles triangle. Why is it isosceles? It's isosceles because OQ is equal to OB because the triangles are congruent. So therefore, OQ and OB are equal in length. So what we have is an isosceles triangle, right? So let's write that down first. I know that OB must be equal to OQ because the triangles are congruent. So this would then imply that my triangle OBQ is an isosceles triangle, right? So if it's an isosceles triangle, how do I find this angle OBQ, or rather PBQ? They are the same angle. I can see that these two here are actually the base angles of my isosceles triangle. So that means they are equal in length, and they should be equal to this angle over here, 68 degrees, which I'm marking out in yellow, right? Because this is the exterior angle, it is equal to the two opposite interior angles. So therefore, my angle PBQ is equal to 68 degrees divided by 2, which is equal to 34 degrees. This is using the property exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles, which we have also learned in Set 1. Okay, so that's how you do this question.
Remember to like, subscribe, and keep coming back for more ninja level math videos.